In health news tonight, the province wants every adult in British Columbia to be tested for HIV. The hope is, if the virus is detected early, the number of people who are infected will be reduced sharply. There's a 4-year pilot project underway in Vancouver and Prince George, which will ask patients to consent to testing when they see their doctor, and it could spread from there. CTV's Louise Hartland has the story.
The Provincial Health Authority says as many as a third of the 73,000 Canadians who are HIV positive don't know it. One of the reasons the province is pushing a 4-year pilot project to encourage every adult to get tested for HIV the next time they see a doctor.
The push to expand testing beyond the sort of groups who are currently being tested is a way of trying to reach out, find more people who are at risk and test them, and then find people who may not even know they were at risk and test them as well.
Last month, patients admitted to hospitals in Vancouver and Prince George were asked if they would consent to being tested. Vancouver Coastal Health says 95% of the patients offered the test have agreed. Modeling for the pilot project suggests as many as 173 cases of HIV could be averted in the first 5 years, which could save $65 million in lifetime HIV treatment alone. AIDS Vancouver Island serves 350 clients who are living with AIDS or HIV in Victoria.
So HIV doesn't discriminate, and it's spread through heterosexual sex, through gay sex, through injection drug use.
The hope is that normalizing testing will erase negativity towards the virus.
There's a huge amount of stigma, so I think in approaching a broader testing program, we have to really be aware of the role that stigma plays in people's willingness to get tested and whether they want to get tested. And so the approach to doing that really needs to take that into account.
Dr. Kendall says an HIV diagnosis in the 80s or early 90s was often perceived as a death sentence. Just yesterday was the 20-year anniversary of Magic Johnson going public with his HIV diagnosis. Kendall says today HIV is a chronic but manageable disease, if caught early.
We now come down to 2 pills a day. The side effects are minimal, that it reduces the viral load so that people's health is maintained, their disease can be pushed right back, they can live a normal, healthy life.
The pilot project goes until 2014, when the government will decide if testing will be province-wide. In the meantime, to find out where you can be tested, visit avi.org. Louise Hartland, CTV News, Victoria.